Hey y'all, this is Shamika coming to you with a video on how to seal your own criminal record. It is usually going to be under the seal and expunge section for your state. So you can easily search the internet and put your state's name and then seal/expunge, and it should be able to tell you exactly what department you need to contact. But here's what you're going to do. First, you're going to contact that department. You're going to let them know the charge that you want to seal and ask them if that charge qualifies for the seal. They should let you know right then instead of having to wait, because the seal and expunge process does take a while. There is a difference between seal and expunge. I'm really only going to talk about sealing. It's usually the fastest and the easiest one. So you're going to contact that department again. Make sure that your charge that you want to seal qualifies. Once they tell you yes, then you can move on to the second step. Now, I am in Florida, so I am talking about Florida only. There may be some differences in fees for your state, but you'll also find that out when you print out the application. So once you find out that your charge qualifies, you're going to print out the application. It should be from that same website. If you're in Florida, you will see the link in the paper that, or the page that I attached here in the in this video box. So you can go to FDLE, that's Florida Department of Law Enforcement, and print out your application. It's a $75 money order that's going to have to be sent with the application. You're going to need a certified copy of your charges that you want to seal. You can get that at your local county clerk's office. Just go in, tell them you want a certified copy of that charge. They will stamp and sign it and put the date, which technically makes it certified. Then you're going to get your fingerprints done, and you can get that done at your local sheriff department or your police department. Or sometimes they have companies that will come to your home and take your fingerprints. Fingerprint cards, I believe you can get those free, but I believe there's like a $5 per card. You only need one card to turn in. So I'm going to run that back for you again, because I know that I talk fast. So you're going to contact the seal and expunge department. You're going to run down the charge that you want to seal, see if it qualifies. If it does, you're going to then get an application. You're going to attach the money order fee that is required. It's usually $75 or more. You're going to need a certified copy of the charges you want to seal. You get that from your local county clerk's office. Then you're going to get your fingerprints done. You can get that done at your sheriff or police department. And you're going to send that together with the application off to that department that you contacted, and you just wait. If you're in Florida, they're running about 6 to 8 months behind, but have no fear. If you've already contacted them and they told you that it qualifies, at least know that it is coming. Now, what happens after you get your paperwork back? Let me say something that I did forget. You will need a notary. So a notary will need to sign that form before you mail it off. Okay. So once you wait your 6 to 8 months and you get your letter back from your State Department saying that your charges have been sealed, you then need to go back to your local county clerk's office. You need to make 2 copies, and you're going to take a copy, drop it off at your local county clerk's office, and the other copy is now going to go to your state attorney. Whoever your state attorney is, you're going to just make a copy and send that to them to let them know that that charge has been sealed, so they can now remove it from public record. So I hope that I was able to make that clear and fast. I'm going to try to run it down one more time, because I'm just a fan of repetitiveness. But you're going to go to your state's office, seal and expunge, see if your charge qualifies. If it qualifies, you get an application. You take a money order, which should be $75 or more. You're going to take that application. You're going to get your charges from the county clerk's office. It needs to be a certified copy. You then need to get your fingerprints done. You could do that at the local sheriff or police department. You will also need to get your application notarized by a notary before you mail it off. After you mail it off, you're going to wait your 6 to 8 months or however long your state takes. After you get your letter back in the mail saying that your charge has been sealed, your sealed is granted, you can then make 2 copies of that. One copy stays at home with you, and the other 2 copies, one goes back to your local county clerk's office so they can put that on file, and the other copy is going to be mailed to your state attorney's office. The state attorney will send you something back in the mail to let you know that they've received it, and your charges should be sealed. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. I can assist you with the process, like I said before, but that is how you seal your record.